Okay, now VW Moses. Project today is seated boards, running boards. That's the old one. You see it's got trouble. Plus there's no molding. This is one from JB. It's the billet aluminum. I don't know if it's billet, but it's aluminum, satin finish. Really sharp looking. Here's how the VW looked before. As you can tell, they need a little help, especially when you got a show car. And this, what they look like on. Considerable difference. It's gonna look sweet. Okay, I just wanted to promote the boards. It was a huge improvement. Huge improvement. All right now. VW Moses out.